Okay, no more photo shoots, no more photographers, no more models. I didn't believe it when I saw it, but this AI tool will blow you away. If you sell fashion, you know how much energy it goes into organizing those photo shoots for your product pictures. You have to organize the products, you have to find models, you have to find a photographer. That takes a lot of time and a lot of money. And when I heard about an AI tool that promises to replace all of that, I had to try it for myself. What happened next is that I went from looking, well, like me into looking like this. I know, right? But at least I have more of a fashion attitude than him. Now, how do you get results like this? Well, it's easy. Let me show you. So this is the website of Botika AI, the tool I am talking about. They have also a Shopify app if you want to install it on your Shopify store. You have here all sorts of information like how Botika works, the benefits, how to get started, where to get the Shopify app, and so on. The first thing you will want to do is go and click try now. Once you've created that account with Botika, you're gonna see something like this. Obviously, you're not gonna have any projects in here. This is the project that I've created yesterday. And I went from this original picture of me squinting at the horizon to this, which looks completely different. I wished I looked like that. This looks like a professional photographer in a professional studio took this picture, and this guy looks like a professional model that you would want to feature on your fashion store. So once you've created one of these pictures, you're gonna get something like this. In here you can create a video if you want to out of it, but best of all, you're gonna be able to download this image in a high quality, and it looks something like this. So again, the comparison of the two pictures, this is what I've uploaded and this is what I got out. If you look at the details, you'll see that the picture is really good. I would never have known that this picture was not taken in a studio. And in order to generate images like this, you will have to pose yourself with the clothes that you want to feature. You will have to take some pictures either with your camera or with your mobile phone, something like that. You don't need to have great lighting, but you need to look decent. All you have to do is go and click on new project here, and you're gonna start with this over here on model photos. This gets you the best quality generated images. These other two are in beta right now, but I'm pretty sure that they will perfect them soon. I'm just going to start with this one for now. So you're gonna click on start creating, and you're gonna upload the image you want to have as a reference. I'm gonna select that one. As you can see, the image itself, it's not great. It's a little bit out of focus. The lighting is not that great. And if you have multiple shots you want to generate with the same model, you can upload them here and generate in bulk. So once you have the image in here, you're gonna want to look at this guide. And once that's out of the way, you're gonna click on next. And on here, you're going to select the model that you want to have on that picture. And because I've already generated one image with one model, I'm gonna go to man here. And I am going to scroll down and find my model, which I think is this one over here, Oliver. So I'm going to select him again because I want the same model for the same t-shirt. And they have more models in here. You can choose the one that you like and you can generate images with them. But for this one, I'm gonna use Oliver, and I'm gonna click on next step. And in here, you're gonna be able to choose the background you want your model to be against. And for the other image, I chose one at the bottom here, this pink backdrop, and I'm going to do the same because I want to keep congruency on that product page, and I'm going to generate more poses with the same background. And then you just have to click on next step. Once you have everything in here, you just click on generate, and you wait for Botika to generate that image for you. Here's the result, and this is not bad actually. If I go and I download this photo, and you can download it in this format, and I'm going to save it in my folder there. And now I have two pictures for my product. I have this one, which was created before, and now I have a new pose. This was created based off this picture over here. And as you can see, they have their similarities, but this one is much sharper, much better, much professional than this one will ever be. And as I said in the beginning, Botika has its own Shopify app. I'm gonna go to my Shopify store and I'm going to install that. In here, I'm going to search for Botika and I'm going to select it from there. This is the app and I'm going to hit install. And this is the Botika's dashboard, the same as the one over here. It's just inside the Shopify store. You're gonna get 8 free credits with the free plan. You can always upgrade and get more credits. And in here, you're gonna start a new project. and you're gonna start from the on model photos. You're gonna click on that. Make sure you're not making these mistakes on your photos, and then go and upload your image. If you have images uploaded to your store, you're gonna have them here. If you have product images, I'm going to select this image over here, and I'm gonna go to continue. Now I'm gonna go to the next step where I can select the model I want to use for this image, and I'm gonna go to men. And because I just can select these two guys, this being a free account for this store, I'm gonna go with Gary, and I'm gonna click next. And then in here, I am going to find a suitable background drop, and I think this one will work well, so I'm gonna go with that. So this is a starting image. I'm gonna use Gary and then this background over here, and I'm gonna generate an image based off that. Let's see what Botika can come up with. And while I'm waiting for this to generate, I'm gonna go back to my main account, which is this one over here, and I'm gonna generate an image for girls as well. If you have women's clothes on your store, you may be interested in this. You're gonna select your starting image, then you're gonna click next, and you're gonna select your model. And let's say you want to go with, let's just select her and go to the next step. Then as a backdrop, we're going to select something like this maybe, then go to the next step. So these are the settings for the picture. Let's generate and see what Botika can come up with. So on this free account, I started from this image and I went to this, which is a completely different story. If I open that image up, you can see the quality. In here you can sync it to your store, so you can just click on this button and it's going to be replacing the picture that you selected. So I'm gonna just click sync, and now if I go to my original product page and I refresh the page, that image will be changed with the new image, which looks awesome. Of course, if you find anything wrong with the picture, you can go ahead and retouch it. You have here an option. You're gonna click on it and then you're gonna scroll where the problem seems to be. Then you're going to select the area and add a prompt in there with the modifications you need, and those issues will be fixed. But let me show you what was generated for the girls' clothing, because that's really impressive. Based on this image, as you can see, the body position is the same, but this composition is awesome. This is the starting point. This is the result. You can really level up your fashion brand using this app. If we like it or not, the fashion industry is moving fast. So if you want to keep up with the trends, Botika can really help you test more products faster. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I think you'll be interested in seeing this video next. I'll see you there.